Hello, Binaka. This is a Friday evening. We're just here with my son, and I'm gonna interview him concerning a question I'd like to ask him is how many languages do you speak?
Two.
Two. What is the two language? What are the two languages?
Fijian and English.
Good one. Do you still remember your? I know you know your English. You're living in an English-speaking country, but do you still remember your Fijian alphabet? Can you say it?
Ambathanda efanga ichakala manapanga rasata uvawaya.
Naka. What about Fijian vowel?
A e I o u.
Good one. Do you know the island in Fiji where you come from?
Vanulevu.
Okay, what about the village?
Walev lambasa.
Your Matangali? Your clan?
Rara.
Good boy. Okay, that's it from us tonight. Friday night. You have a good weekend. Enjoy. And ni samode. So tatale. Naka.